Okay, we have another wireless microphone, and this one's in a bigger box. Let's see what we got here. Plug and play. This says 20 meters too. I'm getting to think they're all pretty much 20 meters. There was a couple that said 30 meters, but I think they're all 20 meters pretty much. Let's open it up. I like the ones that come in a box so you don't lose them. But we'll see how it works. This didn't come in a package. I think it would come in a package. Look, kind of messed up there. But we'll come back to that. Instructions. This one just has a single cord in it. And it has a USB and a Type-C cord. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Oh, opens up. Let's see. There's no magnet to the door. Well, yeah, there is. There's a magnet to the door. So if you like this look, pretty nice. I like the inside. This is an iPhone, and I'm assuming there's a magnet because I had a hard trouble getting it out. Again, another USB-C port, I'm assuming. I will find out later. And I can't pull these out because they're magnetized. This charges from back here. This does not spin. I'll figure out what that is later. There's Type-C chargers. I like seeing Type-C chargers. I don't believe this case. Oh yeah, it does. There's a charger on that, so this charges the case. I don't see the light come on. Is there something I need to, or is this case so dead? The case might be dead. I might just need to power it on. But I'm assuming those lights would come on